Do you know many people are having trouble with resetting their iRobot Roomba i3? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Wipe sensors. Wipe sensors and charging contacts with a clean, dry cloth. Avoid using cleaning solutions or water. Step 2. Empty and rinse bin. Remove the bin, empty it, and rinse it using warm water. Do not wash the filter. Step 3. Dry and reinsert bin. Make sure the bin is completely dry before reinserting the filter and placing it back in the robot. Step 4. Clean edge brush. Use a small screwdriver to loosen the screw holding the edge sweeping brush. Clean it and then reinstall it. Step 5. Wipe bin door. Wipe the bin door with a clean, dry cloth to ensure it's completely clean and dry. After following these steps, your iRobot Roomba i3 should be successfully reset and ready to use. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other iRobot users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.